Hey, do you know what the difference is between a null pointer and a void pointer? Well, let's find out together. Null pointer. What is it? A null pointer is a special type of pointer that doesn't point to any valid memory address or data. It's essentially a pointer that has been set to null, meaning it points to nowhere. Purpose null pointers are used to indicate that the pointer isn't currently pointing to any object or data. It's often used as a flag to show that the pointer is empty or uninitialized. Example, int asterisk ptr equals sign null / / ptr is a null pointer pointing to nothing. Usage. It's commonly used in conditions to check if the pointer has been assigned a valid memory address or if it's still empty. Now let's see what is a void pointer. A void pointer is a type of pointer that can point to any data type but doesn't have a specific type of its own until you assign it to a specific type. Purpose. Void pointers are used when you want to create a generic pointer that can be used to point to data of any type. This is helpful when writing functions that can handle different data types. Example, void pointer declaration is a void pointer, it can point to any type. Let's consider an integer. Now is pointing to an integer. Usage. You use void pointers when you need flexibility, such as in functions like memory management routines, for example, or when implementing generic data structures. Now see the key differences. A null pointer always points to nothing, which is, a void pointer can point to anything but doesn't specify what type it's pointing to until you cast it to a specific type. This makes null pointers great for indicating no data and void pointers perfect for generic programming, where the exact type might not be known until later.